better. So, good morning. How are you? Hope that you are all fine. Are you fine? So now we are talking about particularly the most important concept, parallels and transversal concept. So this is L, M, and N. So these L and M are parallel, and N is the transversal. In this case, we learn that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So here 1 and 2 are the exterior angles, and 8 and 7 are also exterior angles. I think angle 1 and angle 2 put together is 180 degrees. And also here angle 2 and 3 is also put together 180 degrees. Now if you take this 1, 2, 3, 4, here 1 and 3 are the vertically opposite angles. They are equal. And now this 2 and 4 are also the vertically opposite angles. They are equal. Now think about this 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here 8 and 7 are the exterior angles. 7 and 8 are the exterior angles, and 5 and 6 are the interior angles. In this case, 6 plus 7 is equal to 180. 8 plus 7 is equal to 180. 5 plus 8 is equal to 180. Thereby, we are coming to the conclusion that 7 and 8 are supplementary. They are also linear plane. And here 5 and 7 are the vertically opposite angles. In this case, let us think that there is one more line also here, please. Say K. So think very carefully. Now 9, 10, 11, 12. So here remember very carefully this, this angle 2 is equal to angle 12. Angle 2 is equal to angle 12. Similarly, angle 1 is equal to angle 11. Angle 2 is equal to angle 2 is equal to angle 12. This is, if you think very carefully, angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Angle 6 is equal to angle 10. And angle 10 is equal to angle 12. I hope you agree. Similarly, angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Angle 5 is equal to angle 9. Angle 9 is equal to angle 11. So here the alternate exterior angles are also equal. The alternate exterior angles are also equal. So what are the alternate exterior angles here? So 2 and 12, because n is the transversal. 2 and 12 are the exterior angles. They are the alternate exterior angles. Similarly, 1 and 11, because n is the transversal. So think about this concept very carefully. Clear? So now another concept, angle PRK is the exterior angle, and this PRK exterior angle is always equal to the interior opposite angles of this triangle. So if you take R is the adjacent angle here. R is the adjacent angle. Now we are talking about the interior opposite angles. For example, here angle P is 45 degrees, angle Q is 65 degrees. Find angle PRK. Angle PRK is nothing but 65 plus 45. That is equal to 110 degrees. Hope you followed this concept. Under concept, so here what I meant to say, BM is the bisector of angle KBC. BM is the bisector of angle KBC. And CM is the bisector of angle KCB. These two bisectors are intersecting at point M. So, if angle A is 50 degrees, find angle BMC. So, think very carefully. Let's try to learn about this concept, please. That is angle BOC concept you have gone there. BOC. We named it as BOC. And A was there as usual. So, if this is O, yesterday we learned that angle BOC, if angle BOC is an angle formed by joining the bisectors of two exterior angles of a triangle, and that angle is equal to 90 minus half angle ABC. Think very carefully. Let's try to learn this proof. Angle BOC is 90 minus half angle ABC. Similarly here now, angle BMC is nothing but 90 degrees minus half angle BAC. That is nothing but 90 minus 25, nothing but so just I hope that you followed this. So these concepts are very important. Hope you followed. Any of your doubts you can chat. Any of your doubts in these concepts you can chat, please. So we learned about three concepts now. One is the parallel and the transversal concept. Another is the exterior angle of a triangle concept, and another is the angle formed by joining the bisectors of the exterior angles of two triangles. The exterior angles of the two angles of a triangle. Any of your doubts you can chat. Clear? Shall we proceed? And the number. So yesterday we missed one problem, that is here. So here AS is parallel to BT. And also here SB bisects angle AST. Now here Find angle 1 is the concept. And also given here, angle 4 is equal to angle 5. So think very carefully. Here, if you take, let us take one given concept, please. SB bisects angle AST. So angle AST, if you take angle AST, it is angle 2 and angle 3. So here, SB bisect angle AST. Therefore, what is going to happen here? Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Now here, it is given that AS is parallel to BT. Because AS is parallel to BT, we can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Since corresponding angles. And also you can say angle 2 is equal to angle 5. Since alternate angles. Observe here, and it is given that angle 4 is equal to angle 5. So here, if you take very carefully, let us take the first one. Here is angle 2 is equal to angle 3. It is angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Here it is given angle 2 is equal to angle 5. Angle 5 is equal to angle 4. Angle 4 is equal to angle 1. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Angle 2 is equal to angle 5. Angle 5 is equal to angle 4. Angle 4 is equal to angle 1. So what do we observe? We observe that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. That is equal to angle 3. That is equal to angle 4. That is equal to angle 5. And you think very carefully here. Okay. So now here, if you take angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is 180 degrees. It is a straight angle. But angle 2 is equal to angle 1, angle 3 is also equal to 1. So angle 1 plus angle 1 plus angle 1. So 3 angle 1 is equal to 180. Therefore here angle 1 is equal to 180 by 3. So think very carefully. What my idea is this: from every given point, we must be in a position to arrive for one conclusion or one point. This is very, very important in solving the problems. Every given point, I have taken that AS is parallel, AS is, see, SB bisects angle AST. I have taken this concept. Taking this SB bisect AST, observe very carefully. We can say angle 2 is equal to angle 3. We arrive to one concept. Again, they give the AS is parallel to BT. Basing on this, we will arrive to the point angle 1 is equal to angle 4. And also here angle 2 is equal to angle 5. And this is the given concept. Ultimately, by taking all these things, we can say angle 2 is equal to angle 3, and so on. We'll come to the point. Yes? Any of your doubts you can chat? Clear? Shall we move further? Okay. And then the number? So think very carefully here. So here it is given that AD and BC are the parallels. AD and BC are the parallels. Now we have to find the value of x and y. So if AD and BC are the parallels, it is given that AD is parallel to BC. If AD is parallel to BC, we can say, or sometime, ABC is equal to angle BAE, because they are the corresponding angles, alternate angles. Clear? So now ABC is 2x is equal to 5y. Now therefore x is equal to 5y by 2. Let us set the first equation. Another thing, because here AD is parallel to BC, we can say angle BCA is equal to angle BCA is equal to, here we can call this as F, because they are the alternate angles, corresponding angles. So here it is given that x minus y equal 30 degrees. Therefore x is equal to y plus 30 degrees. Let us say this is the second equation. Observe these two equations carefully. In the first equation, x is equal to 5y by 2. In the second equation, x is equal to y plus 30. Clear? So now here, by equalizing these two, 5y by 2, 5y by 2 is equal to y plus 30. Here 5y is equal to 2 into y plus 30. So now here 5y is equal to 2y plus 60. So 3y is equal to 60. Thereby y is equal to 60 by 3, that is equal to 20. Ikkada mistake vachindamma idi. So let me see once again. X minus y is equal to 30. Okay. I hope that you are following here, please. So y is equal to 20. Thereby x is equal to, here by substituting the second one, x minus y is equal to 30. So x minus 20 hope that you followed. So think it very carefully here. I have taken this alternate angles. So 2x is equal to 5y, x is equal to 5y by 2. Again I have taken this corresponding angles. X minus y is equal to 30. Therefore x is equal to y plus 30. So by taking these two equations, 5y by 2 is equal to y by 30. By solving that, we'll get it. Clear? So any of your doubts you can chat. Shall we move further? Find the value of x and y. So I hope that, let us say first of all, can you find y value or not? And this y and given 140, these are the linear pair. So now here y plus 140 equal to 180. Therefore y is equal to 180 minus 40, that is equal to 140. 180 minus 1, sorry, this is 180 minus 140. One 180 minus 140. Here y is equal to, we'll get it as 40 degrees. So now observe this x. What you can say in this concept? X is nothing but the exterior angle of a given triangle. The exterior angle of a given triangle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. So that is nothing but here x is equal to, we can say, y plus 30. Y we got as 40. So 40 plus 30, nothing but 70. So think these concepts very, very carefully. I think nothing is difficult here. Shall we proceed? So now here, in this case, find the value of x and y. Let us say here A, B and C D are parallel. The transversals BC and AD are intersecting at point P. Now we are expected to find the value of x and y. So if you think very carefully here, because AB it is given that AB is parallel to CD. If AB is parallel to CD, I can say angle BCD, is equal to angle ABC. Since they are the alternate angles, angle BCD is x, angle ABC is equal to 30. So angle x is equal to 30 degrees. Now here we are expected to find the value of y. So y is an exterior angle. Y is an exterior angle formed by producing PD of triangle PCD. Agreed? So here y is equal to, let us take one triangle. You can take any of the triangles, no problem. So angle PCD, in triangle PCD, y is the exterior angle, and this y exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles. That is equal to, here you can say, angle PCD plus angle PDC. It is given that angle PCD is equal to x plus angle PDC is equal to 45, and here we got this is x is equal to 30 plus 45. So think very carefully. All these are roaming around these three concepts only. So if you understand these concepts very carefully, I think we'll be doing much more problems further, please. Shall we proceed? Okay. Time ఎంత? It is given that angle SPR is equal to 135 degrees, angle PQT is equal to 110 degrees. So here find angle PRQ. So here find angle PRQ. Here remember very carefully, no question of this, pair lines or alternate angles or something like that. This based on the exterior angles and straight angles. So here, let us say for example, angle QPR. Can you find QPR or not? QPR. QPR is nothing but 180 minus 135. That is 45 degrees. Followed? So observe QPR and SPR are the linear pair. So if a SPR is 35 degrees, QPR is 45 degrees. One thing is over. Similarly here, you take that angle PQR is equal to, observe PQR. How much is it? I think it's a very easy point. So nothing but 180 degrees minus 110 degrees, 70 degrees. Clear? So now here, or with other point also you can go. Sum of these three angles, angle P plus angle Q is 180 degrees. Angle P is 45 plus angle Q is 70. This is 115. $160. $65. Hope you followed. This concept you can also take it as angle PQR plus angle PRQ is equal to angle PQT. Angle PQR, put angle PQR QPR plus PRQ is equal to PQT. That's nothing but here QPR is QPR here 45 plus PRQ is equal to 110. So PRQ so think this is taken in the form of the sum of angles in a triangle. Here we solved basing on the exterior angle of a triangle. So any of your doubts you can chat. Shall we proceed further? Okay. Number entendalla. Find angle OZY and angle YOZ. So here it is given that YO is the bisector of angle Y, and also here ZO is the bisector of angle Z. So now in this triangle XYZ, it is given that angle X is equal to 62, angle Y is equal to 54. Now here angle Z is nothing but 180 minus of angle X plus angle Y. There is nothing but 180 minus of 62 plus 54. Nothing but 180 minus 6, 116. That is nothing but angle Z is equal to 64. So now first of all, think angle OZY. This is OZY. This OZY is an angle formed by the bisect of angle Z. So now here OZY here angle OZY is nothing but this is we can say angle Z by 2. Angle Z we got as 64. Let's go 32 degrees. Another one YOZ. YOZ is nothing but minus half of y is equal to 54 degrees plus z is equal to 64. This is half of, they gave y is equal to 54. Y is equal to 54, okay. Now z is equal to 64. 54 plus 64, okay. Minus 118 so 180 minus 59 is 1 and then it is 59 ఎంత వస్తుందమ్మా 121 angle YOZ is 121. Yes, think this very carefully. Any of your doubts you can chat. Clear? Ready na? Pen ready ga unda? So here it is given that AB is parallel to DE. AB is parallel to DE. So now we are expected to find the value of DCE. DCE. So whenever they give the concept of parallel, you must see very carefully. Can we take up any alternate angles? can we take up any corresponding angles, or can we take up any exterior opposite angles, something like this, please. So because they gave this AB is equal to DE, and our question is find angle DCE. DC is nothing but this angle in a triangle. So one angle is given, other angle they are not give, and they are asked to find out one more angle. So to find this, I hope here you can use the alternate angle concept. So this A, nothing but angle E, both of them are alternate angles. So now here angle CED, if you take angle CED, it is nothing but angle EAB, and it is given that EAB is equal to 35 degrees. So now you got angle CED, you know angle CDE. So now here angle CDE plus angle DCE plus angle CED, sum of the angles in triangle concept. So angle CDE is 53 degrees. Angle DCE we are expected to find plus angle CED, just now we got it as 35 degrees. So now here 53 plus 35, 88 degrees. So therefore here angle DCE is 90 degrees. Hope you followed, please. Yes, what's the doubt? So one thing in the geometry, but you should remember very carefully, we must be in a position to come to one conclusion taking on the one given concept. The given concept is here, AB is parallel to D, that is they give. We should make use of the given point. Make use of the given point, we can go for the corresponding lines, we can go for the alternate angles, we can go for the sum of the interiors on the same side of the transversal or co-interior angles, something like this. Hope you are following this. Sure? Okay. Any doubts? You can chat. Feel free to chat your doubts, please. Don't hesitate to ask. The person who asks more and more questions is more intelligent. A person who is dull and who is not paying attention never asks any question, please. So any of your doubts, you can chat in the chat box. Don't hesitate. Clear? Sure? Proceed. So here our question is find angle SQT. Remember very carefully here they are not given that any lines are parallel. So remember very carefully, we are not expected to use the concept of parallel lines at all. Let's not think about it at all. Now here our question is angle SQT. SQT. This SQT is an angle at triangle. Angle Q angle we have to find. To find one angle of a triangle, we must know the other two angles of the triangle, please. But only one angle is S is given. We do not know T. Think whether we can find out T or not. So this angle T. Understand? To find angle TS, I mean QTS, QTS is the vertically opposite angle, angle PTR. If you know PTR, you know this QTS. I think PTR you can easily find because in triangle PRT, two angles are given. Only we are expected to find one more angle. I think it's very easy. So now here, angle PTR is nothing but 180 degrees minus of 95 plus 40. Nothing but 135. Nothing but 45 degrees. Clear? So now here, angle PTR is 45 degrees. If PTR is known, I hope that you can easily find out these things. Here, PTR, you can go to one more concept also, please. I mean by exterior angle concept you can go. So now here, if you go for exterior angle concept, I can say that angle PTR is the exterior angle. It is angle TS cube plus angle TQS. So now just now you got this PTR. Let's not go to that concept. So PTR is equal to 45 degrees. So you can say QT, therefore QTS QTS is 45 degrees. So thereby here you can say angle TQS or SQT nothing but 180 degrees minus angle S plus angle Q. One 180 degrees angle S plus angle T. Angle S is 75 plus angle T is 45. 180 minus angle SQT is 60 degrees. Yes, hope that you followed. Any further doubts? Time in the 9:53. Okay. So now our question is find angle Z. Here it is given that BO is the bisector of the exterior angle of B and CO is the bisector of the exterior angle of angle C. So now here I think you know pretty well this. So if you think angle B, nothing but 2x, that is equal to 180 degrees minus 50 degrees, that is equal to 130 degrees. Okay. So here 2x is equal to 130, thereby you can say x is equal to 130 by 2, that was 65 degrees. Similarly, you can go angle C. Angle C is nothing but 2y, 2 is nothing but 180 minus 70, that is equal to 110. So therefore y is equal to 110 by 2, that is equal to 55 degrees. So now here angle x plus angle y plus angle z is equal to 180. So x is 65 plus y is 55 plus angle z is equal to 180. So 120 plus z is equal to 180. That is equal to 60 degrees. Another concept, think very carefully here. Another concept also you can go. Angle BOC (90 degrees) minus half angle BAC. So now here BAC (180 minus half 50 plus 70), that is equal to 180 minus half 120, that is nothing but 60. Angle BAC is 60. Now here angle BOC (90 minus half of 60), observe here we have taken the sum of the angles concept, and here we have taken the exterior angle concept first of all. So here angle B we got as 2x, and that 2x is equal to 180 minus 130. There we got the straight angle concept. Similarly, angle C we got y is equal to 55. So in a x value and y value, at find z value, we have taken here the sum of the three angles of a triangle concept. Another concept, as if we learned in this particular chapter. So here the angle formed by joining the bisectors of the exterior angles of any triangle is equal to 90 degrees minus half of the opposite angle. So that is nothing but 90 degrees minus half of angle BAC. Thereby we are getting it. So you can use any of the concept, and better to use this concept because this is the concept which you are expected to learn in the lower classes, and this is the concept which you learn in this particular class. Yes, any of the doubts you can chat. Clear? In the time 9 50 58. Okay. So now Think the question very carefully. If an angle is 4 times to its supplementary angle, if an angle is 4 times to its supplementary angle, here two angles are there. One angle is 4 times to its supplementary angle. I mean, one is the smaller angle and another is the bigger angle here. Let the smaller angle be x. Therefore, the bigger angle is it is 4 times to x. Times means multiplication, 4x. These two are the supplementary angles. I mean here x plus 4x is equal to 180. So now here 5x is equal to 180 degrees. X is equal to 180 by 5, nothing but x is equal to 36 degrees. So now here find the angles. We got one angle. And what is another angle? It is 4 times 2x. So the another angle is, the bigger angle is 4x. The other angle is 4x. Nothing but 36 into 4, 144 degrees. Clear? So these type of questions will be given, please. Other question here. Two supplementary angles are in the ratio of 5:4. Two supplementary angles and the ratio of 5:4. Find them. So here they are the supplementary angles, and the sum of the supplementary angles is 180. Here they are in the ratio of 5:4. I mean, one angle is has got 5 ratios, other angle has got 4 ratios. Because they are given the sum of the angles. So one angle is nothing but, so angle 1 is nothing but 5 by 9 into 180. So nothing but 100 degrees. Other angle 2, 4 by 9 into 180. Nothing but. So like this, you will be getting many more questions, please. So think very carefully. Don't forget about the parallels. Don't forget about the transversal. Don't forget about the corresponding angles, alternate angles, interior alternate angles, exterior alternate angles, and also the sum of the co-interior angles. These are all parallel concept. Another concept, the exterior angle formed by extending or producing one side of a triangle. Other concept, the angle formed by joining the bisectors of the exterior angles of a two triangles is equal to 90 degrees minus half of the given angle. I hope these are all the concepts which we are learning in this particular chapter. Hope that you are following. Enjoy the day. Thank you. ఎంతమంది అయినారు లాస్ట్లో 31కి వచ్చారా ఎందుకు మిస్ అయినారు